In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up quizzes on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, student-friendly quiz inside your course, so learners can check their understanding and you can reinforce key concepts. Start in your Podia dashboard. Head to Products and open the course where you want the quiz to live by clicking Edit. This takes you into the course editor, which is where you manage everything your students will see, from lessons to downloads and, of course, quizzes. Make sure you've selected the correct course, especially if you manage multiple products, so your quiz appears in the right place in your curriculum. Inside the course editor, click the plus New Lesson button and choose Add Quiz. This creates a dedicated quiz lesson that sits alongside your other lessons. Give the quiz a clear, descriptive name, like Chapter 1 Quiz or Module 3 Checkpoint. Students will see this title, so keep it specific and consistent with your course structure. A strong title helps learners know exactly what content the quiz covers and sets expectations before they begin. Now it's time to add questions. Click New Question to create your first one. Type your question title or statement, then enter the possible answers. For each answer choice, mark whether it's right or wrong. If the question has a single correct answer, mark that one as right and the rest as wrong. If your question is designed to have multiple correct answers, mark all correct options accordingly. Keep your wording clear and concise. Avoid double negatives, and make your incorrect options plausible without being trick questions. This helps learners focus on understanding, not deciphering confusing phrasing. Continue adding as many questions as you like. You can build a short checkpoint with a few items or a more comprehensive review. As you go, consider mixing easier recall questions with ones that require a bit more application to better gauge comprehension. If you notice a question feels too long or complex, break it into two simpler questions to maintain clarity. When you're done adding and reviewing your questions, click Save in the quiz editor. Saving locks in your work so nothing gets lost. After saving, head back to the Lessons tab to keep building out the rest of your content, or to organize where the quiz appears in your lesson sequence. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open your course, add a quiz lesson, create questions with correct answers, and save everything. With these steps, you can quickly build engaging checkpoints that support your students' progress and your course goals.